1 minute, children. Yeah, sorry, children. And just try to understand this question number 8 over here. What the 8th were people are able to understand it or not? See, the question is, Praveen wanted to make temporary shelter for her car. Praveen is a girl who want to make one shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car. Okay, with the front face as a flap can be rolled up, assuming that stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimension 4 meter and 3 meters? So this cubical dimension is what? Cuboid, right, children? This is your cuboid. Okay, because here length is 4 meters, breadth is 3 meters.
Sir, I didn't understand the car part.
Okay, wait, I'll just come to once again. Length is 4 meter and 3 meter is your breadth and height is your 2.5 meters. So you can see it looks like in a shape of, the car parking will be in the shape of cuboid. Car parking with the shape of cuboid like this. So this is a cuboid. See, your base is nothing but base is your 4. This one is 3 and the height is your 2.5. So again, I'm just from starting, I'm telling you, Nihar, see, Praveen has to make one shelter for her car by making box-like structure with tarpaulin that cover all the four sides. Four sides means area of 4 walls, right?
Yes, sir.
And top of the car means base is not required. Tarpaulin cover is not required for base.
Sir, of the car or of the roof?
Roof, no, he's making shelter for her car, not on the car.
Sir, I thought it's on the car.
No. This is shelter for her car. So all the 4 walls should be covered and top of the car should be covered with the front face as a flap, which can be rolled up. Means you require front also. Means all the 4 sides, it means obviously it should be all the 4 sides as well as top. So here they're asking how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter height with base dimension 4 into 3 meters. So all of you, I think you know this. In this case, we have to find area of the sheet, right, children? So Taruni, you might not be knowing the formulas because you have not read this chapter, right? Is it correct, Taruni?
No, sir, I know, sir.
You know that. Okay, tell me the total surface area of the cuboid, Taruni, if you know that. Total surface area of cuboid. What is it? Do you know that?
Sir,
2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. This is the total surface area of the cuboid in which we don't want.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shriyanvi, tell me.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Voice is breaking for everyone. Children, it's breaking.
Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, it's fine
No,
for
sir.
me.
Hello?
Yeah, Shreyanvi, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you, sir.
Shreyanvi, I'm sending this one Zoom link. If there any disconnection will happen, no, you join by that link. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shreyanvi,
Yes, sir.
I'm sending you the Zoom link
Um,
right now. Okay. I'm sending you the Zoom link. You can just join by that. Can you hear me, Shreyanvi?
Okay, sir.
I'm sending the Zoom link in the classroom. You can just join by that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. 1 minute, Shreyanvi.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Hold on.
just, you can't hear me, right? Wait for a 1 minute. I'm just, Shreyanvi, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can-
sir. I can hear you now, sir.
I've sent the code on the this thing, WhatsApp. You can just join by the Zoom app. Okay. Directly you can meeting ID and password I have sent on that. You can join by that. So minus what we need to do, children? Base part is your length into breadth, right? Base is nothing but base. We are not using tarpaulin over there. So base part is length into breadth. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
So we have to write here length is equals to, if you want to write, you write it before here. Length is equals to 4 meters. Breadth is equals to 3 meters. And height is equals to 2.5 meters. Okay. So 2 L into B means 4 into 3 plus 3 into 2.5 plus H into L, 2.5 into 4 minus length into breadth. Length into breadth is 4 into 3. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Now just multiply over here. Everything just do of 2 into 4 3s are 12 plus 7.5 plus 2.5 into 4 is 10 minus 12. So 2 into 12 and 10, 22, 22 and 7, 29.5. 29.5 minus 12. So 25.5
Sir, I got
into,
the answer.
huh? What do you get? 59, right? 59 minus 12, that is 47.
47 meters square.
47.
47 meters square. Is it clear?
Yes,
anyone,
sir.
anyone having doubt, children? Anyone having doubt in this? So question will looks big, but you have to just read the question, find the data from the question and just do that. Okay. All the questions are easier. I think this is the last question of this exercise, I believe. Correct? Or any more questions is there? No. Do you have any doubt, children? Anyone? Anyone of you having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, we are
No,
moving.
sir.
We are moving to the next exercise 13.2. Okay, we are moving to 13.2 now. So now question number 1. Here they have given here as the curved surface area of right circular cylinder. Okay. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter. If you know the cylinder, just draw this just cylinder in this way. Roughly you can draw over here. So height is 14 centimeter, height is 14 centimeter, and CSA, curved surface area, is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Diameter of the base. It means you have to find diameter, or you can say 2r is equals to what? Correct, children? What they're asking the question. So the question is, curved surface area of the cylinder is of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. And here we have to find the diameter of the base. It means only one hint we know, children. Only one hint we know, that is what? CSA of the cylinder. Sriyanvi, now it's better. So only one thing we know over here, that is CSA of cylinder. Right here, CSA of cylinder is equals to, what you should write the formula? Sahil, tell me the answer for this. CSA of cylinder. Pulastya,
Yes.
why your network is not proper, Pulastya?
Yeah. For some reason, I think this cable has gone wrong.
Acha.
Like disconnecting and stuff. Wait, I'll just replug the cable.
You can
Just
join. You
wait.
can join by Zoom ID direct Pulastya if its network is
No,
breaking.
it's just my internet. I'll just replug the cable. I'll be back.
Okay. Shriyanvi, now it's clear to you. Shriyanvi, can you hear me? She's not able to.
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir. Yeah.
CSA formula. Sahil, tell me CSA of cylinder.
Two pi RH.
2 pi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shriyani, fine, all right.
Sir, I'm getting the answer once.
Okay, let me check.
The diameter is 2.
So 8 is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius into h is 14.
14. Yes, sir.
Don't touch this 2 and r, children. Don't touch this 2 and r. Okay, write directly 2r is equals to 88 into 7 divided by 22 into 14. Is it clear, children, what I've written here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And 2r is nothing but your diameter. Or if you want to cancel 2, cancel it off, not a problem. But again, you should double it later on. Understood? So 22 4s are 88.
I doubled it later.
Huh?
I doubled it later. That
No problem. No problem at all. So 2r is equals to 2, you can write, or diameter is equals to 2 centimeter.
Yes, sir. Diameter is centimeter.
Is it clear to everyone, children? Anywhere you're feeling difficulty over here?
Sir, we can do another method also, right? 2 into 22 by
Yeah, that only I've
7
done. Yeah,
and
that,
cutting of the 7 and 14.
yeah. What? Tell once again.
So like I did like 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 14. I have cut the 7 and 14. I wrote 2 into 22 into 2.
Yeah,
Then 88 is equals to, I got it. That's it.
same only. Okay, fine. Next one is, it is required to make. If you're having doubt anywhere, children, you just ask me. See, next question number 2 is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank.
So what did we get this diameter in the previous question?
Diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. What do you got?
I got 2r is equal to 2, sir.
Yeah, 2r is nothing but diameter only, right?
Okay, sir.
So here it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 centimeter. Height of this tank is equals to 1 centimeter. Sorry, 1 meter. And diameter is equals to 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheet are required for the same? How many square meters of sheet? They're talking about sheet. It means we are talking about what? Surface area. But with
But we
surface,
have to find the TSA.
sir. Isn't it CSA?
closed
Sir,
cylindrical
TSA.
tank of height this much. How many squares of, why CSA you are finding? This closed cylindrical tank now.
Sir, TSA.
TSA,
Sir,
it's
TSA, right?
TSA, yes. This is not opened, or if it is not opened from top and bottom, then it is CSA. But this cylindrical tank is completely packed, closed. So top is also there and down is also there. So to find TSA of cylinder.
Okay.
TSA of cylinder is equals to, you know the formula, 2 pi RH into 2 pi R square, no? 2 pi R into R plus H, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
2 pi r square plus 2
Yes, sir.
pi h.
So first you children, first you try to understand here, both meter and centimeter you can't write over here. So try to convert either in meter or centimeter, your
So
wish.
40 centimeters is 1.4 meters.
You want to write in meters, okay, right? 1.5 meters, 1.4
Write it in
meters.
centimeters because we'll get 100 over there.
Your wish. If you want to convert meter to centimeter, you can convert that way also. You want to convert this, answer will come same only, no problem at all. So 2 into 22 by 7, radius you can write here, radius is equal to 0.7 meters, okay? So radius is 0.7. Again, you can write 0.7 plus 1. So this 7 and 7 will get cancelled. You can write here 0.1, okay? So 22 into 2 is nothing but 44. You can write 4.4 into 1.7. Can we write like this, children? Anyone having doubt till here?
No, sir.
So 44 into 17. 17 fours are 68. Carry 6. 17 fours are 68 and 6 is 74. So answer is 7.48 meter square. This is the answer. They are asking in square meters only. So no problem. If you're finding in centimeter, again you have to convert to meters. Is it clear, children? So this answer, got the answer, all of you? 7.48 meters square. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, 1 centimeter, sir, 1 meter into centimeters equal to 10,000 centimeters, right?
1 meter square to centimeter square, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's 100 into 100. 10 to the power 4.
So 1 meter cube into 1 meter cube will be 100 into 100 into 100 centimeters.
Yeah, 10 to the power 6. Anyone having doubt till here, children? Any one of you having doubt? If you want to convert in centimeter, or if you find in centimeter, you can convert it to meters square also. Okay. So any one of you having doubt? All right. Then next question is metal pipe. So here they are talking about inner radius and outer radius. This is very important question, children. This question is very, very important. Try to understand carefully. You tell me one by one what we can do for this. Tell me, Sai Ritvik. Question number 1, you try to understand and tell me the answer for this.
So in a curved surface area, I think it's CSA.
Okay. So what is this? First question is what? This is which type of pipe is this?
So the pipe is 77 centimeters long. Inner diameter of a cross section
Hmm.
is 4 centimeters and the outer diameter being 4.4.
Hmm.
So I think they're specifying inner and outer because we have to find CSA and TSA.
No, inner outer means this is one thickness will be there on this pipe.
It's a hollow cylinder.
Yeah, it's a hollow cylinder. It's having 2 radius.
Oh,
If you see from top, no. So it will be like double circle. It will come looks like, okay. It looks like top. If you see from top, it will be like, you know, it's like a circle. Mm, mm, mm. It's like a concentric circle. So you are having 2 circles over. One is small radius over here, and one is bigger radius. Okay. The small radius is what, and capital radius you should write here separately if you know this. And see, long is this very easy. Height is equals to it's given. That is 77 centimeter. Correct. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The small r we can write it 2 centimeter, children. Outer diameter is 4.4. Can we write 2.2 centimeter for capital R?
Yes, sir.
So this three things is clear to you or not? R, capital R, and H. This part is clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
So inner curve surface area, children, inner curve surface area. It means that we are not bothering about capital R. Only this inside part, what is that? That we should find. So curve surface area is 2 pi R H. Clear? Again, outer curve surface area, we should write here 2 pi capital R H. Total surface area means you should add this one also, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi R square minus R square. I don't think means everyone understand this. Tell me, children, you are having doubt in formulas. Which part you are having doubt in formulas? I
So
think
I am not able to
But
get
yeah.
how we like got 2 pi r into r square minus r square.
you are getting this much, right, Sahil? You are having everyone,
Yes,
most of the people are having doubt
Yes,
in this
sir.
part, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I'm just drawing here concentric circles. Then you just able to understand properly. See, this is your concentric circle I'm drawing over here. And I need to find only this part. If you just see, no, I want only this one circle. I'm fine. I want to need only this circle. Is it clear, children? I want to find this color shaded part because this part is inside is hollow. So no need to find this. Is it clear? So this is your upper portion of the pipe. Okay, children, upper portion of the pipe is like this, and down will also remain the same. Correct? Can you understand? CSA will, you understood everyone. See, this part is CSA, which you understood everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
You are having doubt in this one. That's why I'm just making you understand it by the help of this example. Just try to listen first, children, how to find the area of these concentric circles. See, area of the circle, this one is having capital R, and this is having a small r as radius, suppose. Okay. So how to find this only shaded part? Pi r square is the area of complete big circle. Correct, children? And inside area is what? Pi into r square. Is it clear? This one also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you subtract the smaller circle area, means from the bigger circle, can we get the shaded part or not?
Yes, sir. We can take pi common and then.
Yeah, if you take pi common here, I can write here r square minus r square.
Sir, but where did a 2 come from?
That's I'm telling you. This is one will be available on the top of the cylinder and one will be available at the bottom of it. So there are two concentric circles you can find in a cylinder. Okay. So you should multiply here by 2. That's it. Hope it's clear to everyone. So I erase this. Children who is having doubt, you
Yes,
can
sir.
ask
Sir,
again.
do you mean like in a cylinder there's two like the same, there's like two is the same ends, so that we are multiplying by 2?
Yeah, because what you can see on the top, no, same thing you can see at the bottom also.
Okay.
Exactly, the bilkul. Cylinder is what? Uniform cylinder. It's not up and down here and there.
Yes, sir.
And pipe you have seen, no? Pipe, thick pipe you just check, which is hollow from outside. You see top part and bottom part, both will remain the same, right? That will area will
Yes.
not get changed.
Okay, sir.
Taroni, you are getting what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Sai Charan, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, Shriyanvi, tell me.
I got disconnected this whole time, sir. I didn't hear what you said.
So Shriyanvi, can you able to understand this question? Third one?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. So now I'm erasing this, children. If you want to take, you can write down somewhere. I'm just erasing this part of it. Okay. So this was just for concept. Now I'm finding, you can find one by one. First was inner curve surface area, inner CSA. That is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, that is 2 into
Sir,
hex.
first inner surface area I got 968 centimeter square.
I don't know the multiplication. You can check it out, children. 11 into 2 is 22. 22 into 22 is 484. 484 into 2.
Sir, I got the same, sir.
968. Correct. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir, it's 968 only.
Yeah, it's correct, children. So second part of it is outer curve surface area, outer CSA. That is only you should change capital R. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, you should write here 2.2 into 11. Sorry, 2.2 into 77 only. So 7 11s are, again you can do 11 2s are 22, 484. 484 into 22. So 968, 968. So 84610. Correct. So we'll get here 1064.8 centimeter square. Is it clear, children? This part is clear to everyone. Outer CSA
Yes,
is clear.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you have to find here total surface area. So no need to do anything. Total surface area you want to do means, see here, it's not complicated. It's very easy. Try to understand here TSA. Simply write here 2 pi RH plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi. First I'm writing the formula only. How to just deal with the answer, just try to understand. It's easier to calculate also. The formula looks complicated, but answer is very easy. This one you can take it from top. That is 968 plus 1064.8. And this, children, R square minus R square, we can write it as, that also much be easier. You know what?
Sir, we can use identity.
Yeah, we can use identity. 2 into 22 by 7. And we can write R plus R and R minus R. Is it clear, children? So 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7. R plus R is nothing but 2 plus 2.2. And you can write, not, you can, actually you should write 2.2 plus 2 actually here. 2.2 plus 2 and 2.2 minus 2. So you can write again 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 0.2. 7 6 are 42, 0.6. Now we can just solve over here. So we can write here 968.1064.8 plus 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 12. So 88, 44. So 528, 528 you get. Okay. But you should point should be here, 5.28. Is it clear, children? Now you just add and get the answer. That's it. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
You can add 968 plus.
Sir, it's 2038.08, sir.
Okay, 20. Tell me 20.
One minute, I'm sorry.
You solving? You got the answer? No. Then what you are solving again?
2038.08. I don't know whether my answer is correct or not, sir.
Acha, okay. That was correct only. 2038.08. Correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your centimeter square. So this question is this is very important question actually, but you have to understand it better way. You understood? Anyone having doubt in this, children?
So could you repeat the question like from the TSA part? It's a little confusing.
You are having doubt in this part, Sai Ritvik, this
Yes,
part.
sir. TSA, yes, sir.
So that diagram I made, that you understood or not? That diagram
Yes,
what I
sir,
made,
I understood that.
it means that you understood this part. it means that you understood this part. I should not explain this,
Yeah.
because if you understood this, this is pakka sure, no, you understood.
Could you explain once, sir? I understood there's two different ends, so we have to subtract to get the shaded area.
That only we did here. See, we get this one only, no? Two circles are there. One is small r, one is capital R. So
Okay.
pi r square minus pi r square. So this is pi common, r square minus r square. And this circle, this concentric circle is of 2 times. So 2 into this, that's it.
Oh, okay. And then the other 2 pi r h is the different CSS,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, in inner part of it and outer part of CSA.
Okay, sir. I understood.
Still anyone having doubt, children?
No, sir.
Those who can write or can take the screenshot of it if you want to take it. So next question, we'll just move to the next question now. So next question
Sir, could you
is,
give me 1 minute? I'll write the last step.
right fast.
Done, sir.
Hmm?
Done, sir.
Okay, fine. Children, next question is question number 4. All of you try to understand here. See, this one is very important. This is also interesting question actually. Okay. See, if you understand what is roller, you have seen the roller on the road, which is just make the level on the road, right? Gravels and everything, make roll it, right? You have seen the roller, children.
Yes, sir.
So roller will looks like in this pattern, it will be right? This will be just rounding on the road and is make the surface smoothly, right? So here is a drum like thing will come here and here also drum. And this will get roll on the like this will roll on the road, correct? So what happens is this diameter of the roller they were given over here. So diameter of the roller is, if you write here diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter. It means that radius is equals to what? 42 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution. How much complete revolution? 500 complete revolution. Complete revolution. And length also they have given here. No, length is nothing but your height of the roller. That is 120 centimeter. So one complete revolution means what, children? What do you mean by one complete revolution?
Sir, CSA?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
CSA.
Yeah. See,
Covering of
one
CSA for
Sir,
one.
why CSS?
CSA means which part is rolling, Sairatvik, tell me, which part is rolling over there on the road?
Sir, because the ends of the cylinder are on its lopsided, the ends are connected to the machine, so only the CSA, the curved part, is the rolling part.
Satvik, what will happen? No, your this round circle part will be there. That will not round on the road, right? Satvik.
Yes,
So
sir, I
which
understand.
which part will roll? That curved part is there. No, that only roll on the road. Correct.
Yes, sir.
If one revolution happens, it means what? One revolution is nothing but one complete revolution is nothing but 1 CSA, curved surface area of one revolution. So if one complete, so I'm writing here 500 complete revolution is equals to, I'm writing here 500 CSA. Is it clear to everyone or not? Is it clear, children? 500 complete revolution means 500 CSA. 500 times is moved. So here they're asking find the area of the playground. Means area we can find.
Sir, small doubt.
Huh.
So here height is 120. So if it's on its side, then the area of roll from the circle part to the circle part, that's like this length, right? The length of the roller.
Yeah, that is only height.
Okay, height is equal to length.
Hmm. So 500 CSA is nothing but, see, 500, if we want to write 500 CSA, it means that we can write here as 500 into CSA is what, children? 2 pi RH, correct? Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
So it's very easy. 500 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 42 into 120. Is this clear? But this all things we are doing in centimeter square, children. So first you just do in 10 centimeter square only, and you can divide by what? You can divide by here only, we can change if you want. If you divide here by
10,000.
10,000. I'm just writing here, I just making one round over here so that it this be easier. Okay. So this whole thing becomes in meter square only. Is it clear, children? Before we have written in.
Sir, I got the total answer as 1584 meters square.
Okay, fine. So children, before dividing with by 1 followed by 4 zeros, the answer was what? In centimeter square. If I divide by 1 followed by 4 zeros, so answer becomes in meter square. Now we try to solve this. Now 1, 2, 3, 0 get cancelled. So 1, 2, 3. Again 7, 6 are 42. Again 5, 2s are 10, and 10 will get cancelled. It's clear to everyone?
It's 137280 meters square.
So 22 into 6 is 132, and 132 into 12. 12 2s are 24, carry 2, 36 and 2, 38, 12 and 3, 15. 1584 coming. 1584 meter square is the answer for this.
Yes,
So,
you got
so
1584.
anyone who is having doubt in this question, children, how to understand this question, how to find this?
Sir, I am getting 31,3,168 or something. That's it.
How you did, Satvik? What is your mistake? Where you are doing mistake? What you are doing? You are able to understand? You have did in my method only or some different method?
Sir, I forgot to multiply 500. Sir.
You should multiply by 500 now. It will become more complicated than now. If we multiply by 500. See, it's I divided here 10,000. No, this become easier. That's why I divided immediately. Okay. Again, if we'll not write 10,000, this become what? Complicated. That's why I thought.
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't divide by 10,000. It became complicated.
Sir, I didn't divide by 10,000. Sir.
Yeah, so you'll get some, means you have to multiply a lot.
Yes, sir. Sir, but it was 500, so multiplication was less only.
So now see
Sir,
question.
I'm getting the same answer, sir, after multiplying 500.
Yeah, you'll get the same answer. Answer will not differ. How answer will get differ? Now see this, children. This question is question number 5th. This is the last question of today. Then after that, I'll discuss this one, doubts part. Okay, 1, 2 questions you may ask doubts. So question number 5th is cylindrical pillar. So cylindrical pillar, they're asking here, I've just write here. Diameter is 50 centimeter in diameter, right? Here radius is equals to 25 centimeters.
Sir, could you go up to the previous question for 1 second?
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir, done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So radius is 25 centimeter. And here see, children, and height is given is height is equals to 3.5 meters. Okay.
Sir, we need to convert the centimeter into meter.
Yeah, before only if you convert, that is better, because here they have given the rate is in meter square only, right? If you convert the answer in meter, that will become easier to calculate. So how to convert 25 to meters? 25 divided by 100, right? So we'll get 0.25 meters, right, children?
Yes, sir.
And here you have to find cost of painting or the curved surface area of the pillar. So CSA of pillar is nothing but C, or you can write here cost of painting also you can write cost of CSA, cost of painting. I'll write here completely. I'm writing in one line only, children. If you can do in other way also. First you find CSA, then you multiply with answer. I'm just doing here in a single line. cost of painting of CSA is equals to rate of rupees, rate rupees right here 12.5 per meter square into CSA. I can write like this. Then I write here 12.50 multiply by CSA is what? 2 pi RH. Again, I can write here 2 into, I'll write here 12.50 multiply by 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 0.25 into height is 3.5. So 7, you can write here 0.5, correct?
11 by 2.
11 by 2. Answer is 11 by 2.
Yes, sir, for this equals to 11.
So what you do, children? No, here how many points are there? Just see here. This point you remove, this point you remove, this point you remove. How many points after digit? How many digits are there after point? 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. You can divide by here 1 followed by 5 zeros. You can divide here also. Is it clear what I have done?
Sir, why 5 zeros, sir?
After point, how many digits are there? That you count from top. After here point, 2 digits are there. Here 2 digit, 4, 4, 1, 5 digit, right? So after point, how many digits will come, children? That much zero you should write in the down. Okay. This is clear or not, children? Shall I do in detail? What you are asking?
Sir, I'm not understanding it.
Okay. I'm just removing these points. Till now it's clear, Sai Ritvik? Till now it's clear?
Yes, sir. No, sir. It's like from I understood until the cost of painting formula, then
Rate of you are not getting rate part, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. If you're not understanding, erase completely. Don't do in this method. Completely erase off. Okay. Simply you find CSA. That is better. CSA of pillar is equals to 2 pi RH. Make it more easier if you not understanding. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 0.25 into height 3.5. This much is clear.
The answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
What, Nihar?
The answer.
I don't know. I don't know the answer.
Sir, it's 11 by 2, sir.
11.2 is what? Height.
No, sir. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25.
11 by 2, how you get?
Sir, I
11.2.
got 37.5.
You should find rupees, no, Sai Charan. How you can find 11 by 2? This part is
Sir,
clear. Sai Ritvik, it's clear till here.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you're finding cost, the cost, how do you find the cost? CSA into what you should write here?
CSA into the rate given, right?
CSA into rate rupees 12.50 per meter square. So that only I've done before also.
Okay,
So
sir.
2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 3.5 into 12.50. So what I do, children, no? Whole first I'll just completely divide here. See, after point, how many digits I'm just removing that to see here. See here there is, here first part is 2 digit here, right? Here also 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5. After point 5 digits are coming.
Yes, sir.
So we have to multiply down. We should here we should divide by this much, and we remove this point from everywhere. Is it clear or not,
So
children?
5 digits, isn't it 2 plus 1 plus 2, 50, right?
Yeah, that only we did know.
It's 6 digits, right, sir?
6
Oh,
digit
sorry,
after
sorry, sorry.
point.
Okay,
After
okay,
point
okay.
you should count.
Okay, after point, okay.
Now 7 5s are 35. Then this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. After this, see 5 2s are 10 and here 0 will get cancelled, right?
Sir, you can write directly 11 by 2 into rupees 12.50.
I can
Five.
write directly. Huh?
Yes, sir. Instead of 2 into 22 by 7.
1 minute. 3.5. This is 22 by 7. Tell me what you are saying, Sai Charan.
Sir, instead of that CSA, sir, in the place of CSA, we can write 11 by 2.
In place
11
of
by
CSA,
2 over
how we can
0.5.
write 11 by 2? How will write?
Sir, means from 11 by 2 per meter square, we are getting 12.5, right, sir? Like that.
No, 11 by 2, how we are getting that? I'm not understanding. 11 by 2, what, how, from where we are getting? Not, it's not given the question. How we are solving that? Tell.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
See.
that when we are finding that, sir, CSA, we are getting 11 by 2, right?
What you are saying? Solving says, see the children. Where are you 11 by 2? I'm not getting you. Where 11 by 2 is coming here? See children now.
Sir,
See 7 5s are 30. Wait for 1 minute. Sai Charan, if you won't answer, leave it. See 7 5s are 35. Then 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So try to understand. Don't write children right now. First try to understand. 7 5s are 35. First I did. Then 0 0 I made it cancel. Then 5 2s are 10. And this 1 0 get cancelled. Is it clear? 25.
Where did we cancel off the decimals? Where did we cancel off with the zeros and the 10,000? 100,000?
What 0 from the decimal? If you remove that
0
one.
0.25, 3.5, 12.50. Where did we cancel off those, sir? When we divided by 100,000, did we cancel them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we are cancelling this 0 0. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 2s are 10 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now 25. 25 4s are 100. 40 will come. Correct? Till here you are having doubt? No?
No, sir.
Now 25 5s are 125. No, this is not by 25. You should use 5 table only. 25 5s are 5 8s are. So now you can write here 2 4s are 8, 2 11s are 22. So it's coming 25 into 11 by 4 is coming, children. 25 into 11 is what? 25 ones are 25.
Sir, I'm getting 68.75.
So 4 6 are 24.
Sir, I'm getting 137.5.
What is the answer given, children? Just check once, all of you.
Okay, sir.
So 4 6 are 24. 3 will be there. Then 4 8s are 6 8s are.
Sir, we can also first find the CSA and multiply with the cost, right?
Yeah, that only we did know here.
Sir, I did like first I found the CSA of the pillar, then I multiplied with the 12.5.
Sir, even I did the same thing I got the CAA as 5.5 meters square and then I multiplied it by 12.
What answer they
Sir,
have given? What
sir,
answer they have?
5.5 into 12.50,
Yeah,
I'm getting 68.75.
68.75, right?
Okay, then
Yes,
I
sir.
did the calculation.
Okay, this is the answer given at the back, children. Just check once. Cost of painting is 68.75 only, or some different answer is given. Check once, Sahil. Check once.
sir, it's the same.
Same only.
Yes, sir.
Now, children, just tell me where you getting difficulty or something like that. You just tell me which part you are lacking behind.
Sir, but I have a doubt, sir.
Where you are having doubt?
Sir, that 11 by 2, sir. I am getting it when when I am multiplying 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25.
Sai Charan, on your camera and just tell me. One by one, I'll tell you your doubt may be cleared.
Yes,
Well,
sir.
slowly
I
you
have
tell. Wait. Aram se you tell so that I can understand in once only. Okay. Tell me now.
Sir, I have multiplied 2 into 22 by 7 into.
Wait. I'm just let me write what you are saying. Let me write 2 into 22 by 7.
Into 1 by 4 into 35 by 100.
This
which
one,
is the CSA, sir, 2 pi RH.
this CSA 2 pi RH.
Yes, sir. Then
1
I
minute.
got it as 11 by 2.
Okay,
Then,
okay. 1 minute. Let me discuss first. 2 pi RH, you did this one, right? 2 pi. Okay, you got 11 by 2 from this.
yes, sir, 11 by 2.
Let me check this one first. It's correct or not. 2 2s are 4. 2 11s are 22. 7 5s are 35. So 5 20s are 11 by 20 is coming now. How is 11 by 2? 11 by 20 will come now. Check.
Sir, I'm getting 11 by 2 only. So 11 by 2 is equals to 5.5.
Wait. Once again, I'm doing here. See, 2 2s are 4, correct? 7 5s are 35.
Sir, how did you get that 1 by 4, sir?
25 by 100 is 1 by 4 only, not a problem. 25 by 100. Now 2
Sir,
11s.
11 by 2 is 5.5 only.
Yes, sir. I also got 11 by 2, which is 5.5, and 5.5 into 12.5, that is 68.75.
Hey, I'm getting here. What? How I'm getting here? 11 by 20, I'm getting here. How you get 5 by 5? Tell me.
So I'm getting 5.
5.5 you're getting. How? Tell me
Yes,
now.
sir.
Yeah, 5.5 only you should get actually. Yes. But where I am doing mistake then I think. See, 2.
Sir, I didn't get how you got this 1 by 4. I didn't get those 1 by 4 and 35 by 100.
Acha, you're not getting this one. I'm writing 25 by 100 only. Okay, wait.
Sir, we are converting 0.25 into 1 by 4, right?
Yeah, 1 by 4. Now you understood. See, 7
yes,
5
sir.
7 5s are 35, 5 20s are. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are.
Sir,
Hey, 11 by 20
by
I'm only I'm
50
getting again and again. I don't know why.
Sir, I guess you made some calculation over there.
Hey, here what 135 by 100 how Sai Charan came, man. 35 by 10 will come now. You told 35 by 100 over here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What, man? Sahil, Sai Charan. Here this is 10, no? Again
Yes,
and
sir,
again we're doing the same
3.5
thing.
by 10. No,
Yeah,
sir,
then you'll get
3.5.
5.5. So 5.5 into you can do here 12.50. Then you'll get 68.75 only. Okay.
Sir, I did in total different ways, sir.
Huh?
I did in different ways, sir. I did in different ways.
You got 5.5 only, no?
Yes, sir.
The 5.5 should multiply ultimately 12.50 only, right? Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Taroni, any doubt you are having?
No, sir.
You know all the formulas, CSA, TSA of all things, cylinder, cone, everything. Do you know all the formulas?
Sir, I get confused a bit. So
Okay, fine. Anyone, children, anyone having doubts still?
No doubt, sir.
So till here we are closing here, and I'll just solve few doubts if you're having. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me your doubts. Which all doubts you have? First doubt was.
Sir, I sent you the pic. In that, I've mentioned all the questions.
Yeah. Once again, you send me because it got down. It went down actually.
Okay, sir, I'll send it once more, sir.
Now doubt session, children. After 9, those who want to stay, they can stay. See the questions, what we can do over here. Okay. Try to understand new questions. And you are ready, like, getting late with dinner and something. You can proceed.
Sir, I sent you.
Okay.
So in that 15th question, I have first, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Question number 15th one you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
question.
sir, of polynomials. Like our teacher gave us a worksheet for the, in that.
This factorize this one you are saying, no? 15th
Yes, sir,
one.
that one only.
15th mean which question?
First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part.
All from 1st to 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, fifth part fifth part I got it. I have doubts in the first four parts.
First four parts. You know, no, a plus b whole cube, you know, right?
Yes, sir. A plus b whole cube.
So first question should apply formula a plus b whole cube. Once again, you try, just solve me and it's tell me, okay? So I'm just giving you a hint over there because I'm having class at 9. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'll just tell you the hint over here. See, children, just try to understand. You can do it at home also, okay? Just see that this is a question which Nihar is having doubt. And plus minus 3 by 4 z minus 2 by 3 x whole cube. See, a plus b whole cube you can use here. Here a plus b whole cube and here also a plus b whole cube. And try to solve this, okay? Again, we'll do, not a problem. Second question is, Nihar, based on this one, whole square is there now. Again, you can expand, not a problem. Second question is like,
Sir, but then in that case, it would be too lengthy. So I was thinking if there's any other way to do it.
not length, they have given lengthy only. Or you can do bit smaller, not it one. The small is going. 1 minute, yeah. Something is there. 1 minute.
Sir,
Yeah, it's coming.
lengthy then.
Yeah, second one is easy only. Yeah, 15 2x minus 1 whole square. Yeah, it's coming. Bit easy only. Yeah. You can let something if you want. You can let here x square plus 7. No. In second equation, you can let here x square plus 7 is equals to a you let. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And 2x minus 1 whole is this one. No.
Yes, sir.
You can let something as what you can let b. This is a, this is b. So you'll get here 12a square minus 8ab. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And minus 15b square. Correct. You can factorize this one, I think.
Yes, sir. This I can factorize this. What do you call it? Splitting the middle term.
Yeah. Then last you can just substitute the value of a and b. You'll get the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then third one you have. This is very easy. Third one is also easy only. So that is x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 11x plus minus 6. The first you should put the value of x. X is equal to 1 you put, minus 1. This is heat and trial method you should use. Okay.
Okay, sir.
When it suppose coming, suppose you are putting x is equal to 1, then whole thing becomes 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you should put x minus 1, you should divide with complete polynomial. X minus 1 you should divide because x is equal to 1 is the answer. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
Then x minus 1 you take and you should divide. And whatever you get answer over here, that you factorize again.
Okay, so with that way we can get answer.
Yeah, see, x minus 1 is one factor of this. And second factor, what you get now here, quotient. That you write in bracket.
Okay, sir.
Then this will become like quadratic equation. Then you can do easily factorization. Okay. It's clear.
Okay, sir.
Then, okay, children, you can leave for the day. Again, I'll discuss again, the next class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once again, you try,
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, children. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, children.